It's been around for about 75 years on the west side of Corpus Christi and in Robstown, helping families take care of their children. And now the Wesley Community Center is helping nursing students get some hands-on experience with young kids. Our Michelle Pedraza has the story.
Well, Joe, it's a partnership between the center and the TAMU-CC nursing program that just started last week, allowing students to help with wellness checks as well as getting to interact with the kids. For TAMU-CC nursing students like Christian Beltran and Dimitri Baxter, learning in the classroom and being one-on-one with a patient are completely different situations.
Well, kids are sponges, so it's best to teach them now when they're actually going to kind of listen to what you're saying, so to speak, and just demonstrating is the best way because they're going to kind of do what you do.
Melinda Conway-Fawn with the Wesley Community Center agrees.
And Dr. Hoff said that she has 80 to 90 new nursing students every semester, and some of them have never held babies. They've never fed babies, they've never changed babies.
But this new program will fill that gap.
It just brings a whole nother dynamic to the social determinants of health for children and families.
Nursing students will conduct health checks and teach children about proper hygiene.
Washing hands, make sure we cover when they cough, like make sure you cough in your arm.
And motor skills.
Making sure that they have the developmental milestones that's correlated with their age.
That's not all. Students also get to interact with the kids. Reading, playing, and bonding. Something moms like Karen Hazel are very happy about.
This is our future, they're our future, and I would like to know and to believe that they're gonna help our children out as best as they can.
And right now there are 80 kids enrolled at the Wesley Community Center. For the next 3 months, the nursing students will be doing rotations at the center twice a week. Joe.
All right, learning and doing some great things at the same time.